Hello party people, it is Randy for Thunderhorse Descendant. I'm here today at Taylor's Falls Bead Store per usual on a Friday. You guys, I've been working in here today. Although I do have to say that Amber and Cassie have been spectacular in helping me round up all of our business. They are working. Here's our business. This is all the things. So I wanted to give you guys a little sneak peek at how we wrap things up for the store. So basically, I come in here with my totes. I find all the things on the list. Here's the list that I have made over the week from you guys. Also, Shannon's list is in here. And I pick out all the things that are on the list. Then I pick out all the things that I want. Okay, there's my want tub. Projects for the week, la-di-da, what we might be doing on morning coffee, things that I know people are interested in. Then I gotta do Jeff's bucket, which is like whatever it is for Jeff, Bead Jeff. So we got that. Then we have sea glass, bottle caps, and more bottle caps in there. This is sale stuff and restock. Sale stuff. This is restock stuff for our site. And then at this point, there's usually one other bucket right here, which is not here because it's filled with rocks. But this is where we get some like fun things. So here's the deal. I don't know if you're aware of this, but we're going to show you some, not all, but some of how this whole process goes down. Sorry, I'm trying to stay in the corner because there's people in here. We're going to show you the process of how it kind of has to happen here. So Taylor's Falls Bead Store is a privately owned bead store by Jeff Plath, who makes beads and has owned this store for going on, I think, 20 years now, 15 at least. So that's a whole thing. It's fair trade, right? He gets most of his things from private people that he knows who are making beads, who are making pendants, like whatever it is that they're doing. And then also he does go to Tucson, where fair trade is also involved there with all the vendors who come from all over the world to Tucson, just like everybody else at the gem show. So Jeff also makes a lot of things. Okay, so he makes sea glass, he makes blown glass beads, he drills pretty much all of the pendants in this store, the ones that need to be drilled, like stone wise. So like as an example, these guys that have the hole right there. So he drills these. It's a whole thing. So everybody kind of is doing all their different things. So today I thought it would be fun to show you the actual process of what it takes me to go to the bead store. Also, for Jefferson, who's like, oh, you're at the bead store all day? Yeah. Okay, so I've currently been here for, I got here at noon today. I was late. I was late. So I got here at noon. It is currently 4. I am officially done with the list, Jeff's stuff, all the stuff I showed you in the buckets. Like everything is gotten except for Randy's personal beads and anything fun that the girls have to show me. Then we're going to start checkout. That's literally going to be like a 2-hour process. So... Also, let's just be aware that Randy has a Facebook Live tonight. So when you guys see this in the future, but you saw the Facebook Live tonight on a Friday Night Lightbox and Fun, you're going to be like, okay. Alright guys, so this is what we got going on. I'll show you more later. I'm going to log off here for now, and then I'll be right back. I missed it. This is just like our one bucket of stuff.
And then we have all of this over here.
And then we have all this over here to do. So that's how we do it. Amber's the best. She probably just dreads this day.
I don't. I look forward to it, actually. 4, 4, 4, 4. I'm just trying not to do a $4,600 overring.
One time. It happened one time.
You know, it takes.
It literally happened one time. And you wouldn't even believe it. It takes us like, how long does it take us? It takes us like almost 2 hours to get out of here. At least an hour. Would you agree? An hour?
I actually have absolutely no idea.
You're counting. She's counting. This is why we got these problems, because I'm talking and then she's counting. So, this is the thing. This is the thing we're doing. I'll check in with you in a little bit. 30 minutes maybe. We've moved on to box 2.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39.
Oh. 39. Oh, you might have to take a little soda break, coffee break here pretty soon. Okay, this store is packed full of people. So here we are. We've moved on to boxes 4 and 5. 4 and 5, Cassie.
Huh?
4 and 5.
4 minutes to 5. Got it.
Yeah, 4 minutes to 5. Here we are. Amber's just like everybody's saying numbers. Doo, doo, doo.
Which country is that does pork for their main, like, pork? Yeah. Their main, what's that called? Exports?
I love that you use that bead as the dingo.
Pork is their main export.
Export.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like a country that's an island, I think. Country that's an island.
Trivia question for anybody in the group.
Pork is kind of expensive, actually.
Is it?
Mm-hmm. We have some cork crystals in there, like $25 a board. And they're like that. And they have the laser etched grid designs.
Oh, okay. I know what you're talking about. Grid. You're talking about grids.
Yeah.
Okay.
Energy grid.
I was confused because we were talking about the bead board and then you were like grid and I was like, what? So yeah, this is the thing. We're still going, still doing it. Check back in with you in a minute. Hey guys, so I just got done checking out, but I gotta wait for Amber and Cassie so they can help me out to my car. But that is the checkout process that we do with all the stuff that goes onto the website. But hey, exciting. Diane cleaned out her magazine rack and Randy got all the new books. Super exciting. So I'm waiting for them. It is officially 5:15 and then we will start toting all this out to the car. And I will see you at 8 o'clock tonight on Facebook because it's Friday. And it's on Friday we do Facebook Live. So yeah. What is going on? What is going on? I keep hitting not record on my camera. I don't know if it's too hot or what. Anyway, moral of the story. I'm in the car. I made it to the car. It's 6 o'clock. Normally I would be here for another 30 to 45 minutes, but Jeff is not home, so I gotta take care of animals. But anyways, sorry, it's hot here in Minnesota. It's like real hot and I got the window up because you know, things and stuff. But anyway, yeah, so it's 6 o'clock. I made it out to the car. I'm gonna drive home. I got a 45-minute commute to home, and then by that time it'll be about 7, and I can take care of my animals, and then we'll be jumping on Friday night Lightbox and Fun for Friday, because we do that every Friday. So I do this every Friday. So again, this video is just for fun. I just wanted you guys to see like what goes on at the store, some of the stuff, what we do, the girls, like it's like whole thing. It's like a whole day experience. It's an experience. If you ever get a chance, you should come out to the Taylor's Falls Bead Store, preferably on a Friday. You might be able to be a part of the experience. Also, Amber gave me this super cute mushroom bracelet. It's like adorable. So adorable. I hope you're all having a wonderful, spectacular day, and I'll see you tonight at 8. Bye. Hello, party people. It is me, Randy. I keep saying I'll see you tonight, but here's the thing. I made it home. It is officially, oh, it's got a bug. It's officially 7:30 or 7:45, I think. So I got everything in the house and picked out something that I'm going to do on the Facebook Live real quick. Took care of animals. Hey, say hi, Lily. Lily, say hi. Say hello. So I took care of animals, and it's 7:45, so I'm gonna maybe get some coffee and then we're gonna do the live. So I hope you're all enjoying this video, this whole experience of things. I know it's like, you know, things and stuff. This is like day in the life over here at the Thunderhorse Descendant on Bead Store Day. So tomorrow, after me and Jeff go to the farmer's market, I will then well, actually probably not tomorrow, probably tonight, actually. Well, I don't know, it depends on what Jeff's doing. So once I get home from the bead store, usually I do the live, and then after the live, Jeff and I sit down and do inventory everything into the computer. So everything has to have a SKU number, and it has to be bagged up and put in its specific thing, so that when we do the sale on Monday, everything has a number for you guys to see. So we input the numbers and SKU list into the computer. We double check the count on everything, and normally that takes until, this is a large haul, so it'll probably take until about midnight tonight if we start at 9:30, like 9:30-ish. And that's why I'm saying like maybe Saturday, because Jeff's been driving all day. He went to Wisconsin, so he probably won't want to do it tonight. He'll probably want to do it on tomorrow after we go to the farmer's market. So things and stuff. But anyways, that's the other, oh my, what are you guys doing? That's the other part of the process. We then have to do the SKU list, get everything a number, write it down, double check the count, and then we'll do the sale. We'll split the orders in the sale. Whatever is left, I will then give over to Shannon. Shannon will take photos of everything that is left, and it already has a SKU number. So then she will take all of that information, and she will take the photos, edit the photos, and then upload all the photos into Etsy and make a description and Etsy listing for it on Tuesday, because Monday will be pretty much shipping and doing the sale and splitting the orders, doing the photos, stuff like that. So it's quite a process to get it up there on the website, but that's what we got going on, and it seems to be working. So I hope you guys are enjoying this. If you are, please let me know in the comment. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's really helpful for comments, likes, and subscriptions for YouTube algorithm. Help girl out. I hope you have a wonderful night, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.